Hey guys, how are you doing today? This is your host, Shreyas. Today, we are going to look at
The top 10 careers in agriculture यानी agriculture या कृषि के विविध careers.
So, before we begin, if you wish to seek a holistic guidance and do wonders in your career and life for the next 40 years, then contact us now at the number shown below. Or visit our website, which is www.dheya.com. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe, like, and follow Dheya Career Mentors on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram, as you all rightly know it. And by chance, if you missed to watch the last episode, then make sure to go and watch it by clicking right over here. And its link is also given in the description box below. Let's go.
Number 10. Agricultural Manager. Agricultural managers oversee the development of crops, animals, and other items that can be sold to businesses or private customers. Agricultural managers generally focus on the business of an agricultural facility, mainly planning crops to maximize profit and minimize loss, creating budgets, hiring and overseeing production workers, supervising all farm maintenance, representing the facility in sales transactions, and maintaining business records, among others. Number 9. Soil Scientist. Soil scientists study physical, biological, and mineralogical composition of soils as they grow. They also study the responses of various soil types to fertilizers, tillage practices, and crop rotation. Number 8. Agriculture Technologist. Primarily because of advancements in technology, including sensors, devices, machines, and information technology, agricultural technologists help in filling the gap between technology and farming by routinely using sophisticated technologies such as robots, temperature and moisture sensors, aerial images, and GPS technology, among others. Number 7. Agriculture Specialist. Agriculture specialists evaluate how the environment impacts crops in order to help improve an operation's overall production. To do this, they conduct experiments, collect and analyze data, and prepare reports based on their findings. Number 6. Agricultural and Natural Resources Communicator. This is the career for those who want to combine an interest in agriculture with an interest in communications. Agricultural communications professionals work in print and broadcast journalism, on the staffs of magazines and newspapers, as press spokespeople, as public relations, advertising and marketing executives, and as educators, among others. Number 5. Animal Scientist. Animal scientists are animal breeders and researchers that focus their studies on the production of animals with desirable traits. An animal scientist may work to establish a breed of dairy cows that produces large amounts of milk, or to grow the population of a desirable breed of dog or cat, conduct research and experiments based on livestock, look after their grooming, inspecting for diseases, investigate better breeding and feeding techniques, link between farmers and livestock industry. Number 4. Wildlife Biologist or Zoologist. Zoologists and wildlife biologists study all kinds of animal and marine life and often spend time observing them in their natural habitats. They also investigate the impact of wildlife on agricultural farms. Zoologists also study animals and their interactions with ecosystems. They study their physical characteristics, diets, behaviors, and the impacts humans have on them. Number 3. Horticulturists. Horticulturists focus their skills and experience on growing and selling high marketable fruits and vegetables, flowers, and decorative plants. Landscape designers, nursery managers, florists, and forestry experts manage natural resources on both public and private lands, as well as for the timber industry and large private corporations, and for farms that grow and sell flowers and plants. Number 2. Veterinarian. As long as there are farm animals, there will be a huge demand for veterinarians, or vets as they are famously called. The importance of veterinarians in agriculture goes far beyond the need to keep valuable livestock healthy. The health of animals is inextricably connected to human and environmental health. This interdisciplinary approach encourages widely varying industries, professions, and institutions to work together. Number 1. Food scientists. Food scientists improve food products and create new ones by researching and experimenting with combinations of raw ingredients, food sources, and food processing techniques, among others. Testing food samples, evaluating food products, their taste, flavor, and nutrition, researching new products, etc.
There you have it, folks. That's it from my side. Hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to share it as much as possible. Once again, if you wish to seek a holistic guidance for happy and successful career, then make sure to contact us at the number shown below. Or visit our website, which is www.dheyya.com. Thank you very much for tuning in today. Make sure to stay tuned for the upcoming Monday, wherein we will bring you another exciting video on another exciting topic. And before we conclude, make sure to subscribe, like, and follow Dheyya Career Mentors on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram, as you guys already know it. The links are given in the description box below. And by chance, if you missed to watch the last episode, make sure to go and watch it again and quickly by clicking right over here. And its link is also given in the description box below. Have fun and keep learning.